Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Philips Hue for HomeKit bridge control, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Philips Hue bridge is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download the Philips Hue app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Philips Hue app on your mobile device. If you haven't set up your bridge yet, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your network. Once your bridge is set up, go to the Settings tab at the bottom of the app. Select the HomeKit and Siri option from the Settings menu. You may need to tap Pair Bridge to initiate the HomeKit authentication process. A code will be displayed on the app screen. This is your HomeKit setup code. On your iOS device, open the Home app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new accessory. Select Add Accessory from the menu. Use your camera to scan the HomeKit setup code displayed in the Hue app. Follow the prompts in the app to finish the pairing process. Once paired, you can assign rooms and locations to your Hue lights for easier control. Test the connection by controlling your Philips Hue lights through the Home app. Ensure everything is working smoothly by asking Siri to control your lights. If all lights respond, you have successfully authenticated your Philips Hue bridge for HomeKit control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.